Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Axis Bank customer, accessing your bank statements is essential for tracking expenses, monitoring transactions, and staying on top of your finances. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to view your Axis Bank statement in 2025, using the latest app features for a smoother experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Axis Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Axis Mobile, and download it for free. Once it's installed, open the app and log in using your username and password. For added security in 2025, you'll notice a new biometric login option like fingerprint or Face ID. It's quick and keeps your account safe. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Services tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and then select Statements from the menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of your accounts. Choose the one you want to view statements for. Next, pick the statement period, like monthly or quarterly. Axis Bank has updated their interface in 2025 to make this even easier, with filters for date ranges and transaction types. Once you've selected your period, hit View or Download. The statement will appear on your screen as a PDF, which you can scroll through or save to your device. Pro tip: always check for any unauthorized transactions and report them immediately through the app's support feature. If you run into issues, like login problems, double-check your internet connection or reset your password via the Help section. And there you have it. You're all set to view your Axis Bank statements hassle-free. This process not only helps with personal finance but also makes tax season a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.